Hey beauties, it's Shaq and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have a brand new video for you today introducing the all new Lotus Collection. So if you want to learn about it, stay tuned and watch. Hey beauties, so like I said in the intro, we just launched the beautiful Lotus Collection. The collection includes an all new 12-pan eyeshadow palette. Look at God, look at how gorgeous this is, you guys. This beautiful palette introduces our first ever 12-pan eyeshadow, and it has a brand new eyeshadow formula that we just know you're going to love. We just launched a brand new product, and that is our brand new finishing powders. These beautiful finishing powders are made with the same technology as our highlighters, so they are smooth to apply on the skin. They give the skin an overall glow with or without makeup. They're also great for adding luminosity to your foundation routine without using a highlighter. They are lightweight and give a hint of glow to your entire skin. And of course, we wouldn't be OFRA if we didn't come out with a brand new highlighter. Look at how gorgeous this highlighter is. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a hint of gold that is subtle but yet beautiful. It's just so amazing. So enough talk, let's put it to the test. I'm going to show you how to get a subtle daytime look and then this fabulous glamorous look. So if you want to learn how to do that, then stay tuned and watch. Okay, so no makeup on. Let's begin with this makeup tutorial. Let's take a look at this beauty one more time because she is so gorgeous. Like, I can't wait for you guys to get her because it's amazing. So I'm going to start with the color Serenity, and I'm going to put that right on my brow bone and to like the middle of my crease. Next, we're going to apply the color Selflessness. This is going to be a nice transition shade. I'm going to put that right in the middle of your crease and blend it into the highlight color. Next, we're going to go in with the color Spirit, and we're going to put that on the outer V and blend it into the middle. Next, we're going to apply the color Rising. We're going to put that right in the middle of the eyelid and blend it into that brown. And for the front, we're going to use the color Peace and blend it into the other colors. I'm going to take the color Spirit one more time, and we're going to add that to the bottom lash line. Now it looks messy, but we're going to clean it up right now with our Absolute Cover Foundation. Now we're going to use our black pencil liner to line the waterline. Or you guys can use a white since it's a daytime look, but I like the black. And then I'm also going to do the top waterline. Perfect. Mascara. Can you see a difference or what? Our HD Volumizing Mascara is amazing. I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick and I'll be right back. I'm going to apply Verona Super Soft and Natural Lipstick for me. I'm going to take the bronzer in my Face It palette and I'm going to contour my cheeks. And now I'm going to take the Pure Glow finishing powder in shade medium and set my face. I love the radiance that this gives my skin. It's such a wonderful finishing powder and I'm so in love. I normally would add highlighter and blush, but I'm going to leave that because I wanted to show you guys how to do a very natural look. And I'm going to show you how to take this look into more of a going out or vampy look. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to go over what I did here in the front because I want to apply a completely different color now. I'm going back into my palette and I'm going to get the color Enlightenment and I'm going to use that right at my crease again, and I'm going to add that beautiful color to give some more oomph to the eye. Where before it was a little bit grayish, nude, now I'm adding a little bit of color, just a tad, to make it that much more fun. Now I'm going to dip into one of my favorite shades, and this is Compassion. I'm going to put it right in the outer V and give it an extra pop. Now we're going to take the color Sacred, when we're going to apply that on the lid. That's what I'm talking about. Can we take a minute to admire how gorgeous this highlighter is? My goodness, it's so beautiful. We're going to take the highlighter and we're going to apply it to the center of the eye just to give that green a little pop. And of course, we got to put it in that inner corner. We're gonna apply some to the tip of our nose, the bridge of our nose, and of course, let's use it as a regular highlighter. Oh, I think I found my new favorite highlighter. I'm gonna use the color Bloom as my blush. Okay, I'm gonna take our verified liquid eyeliner and do a wing. I'm going to add my favorite Milan on top of this color. I am loving this look. I'm going to put on some lashes and come back with my final thought. This entire collection is so amazing. It's our baby. And I hope that you enjoy the looks that I created and that you pick up the Lotus Collection because it's so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave your comments down below. What are you going to pick up from the Lotus Collection and what you want to see from us next, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, beauties.